Day in the life of a gal who is a walking contradiction. I'm a single mom who is not single. I have a boyfriend and I also still legally have a husband as well. I'm a mum of 2, but I have 3 kids in the house at the minute. And most importantly, I am paying my mortgage all by myself on time every single month. But we are at risk of being made homeless. And I'm not going to lie to you, I feel like I have hit a brick wall with exhaustion. And that is why I turned up to the school run looking like a thumb. And it's also why I had every good intention of applying for another job last night and I didn't. But look, I was very productive in other ways, okay? And I bet you're thinking, Liv, doing your hair and makeup is not productive. But honestly, I am more productive when I feel put together. And also, I did start preparing for my interview next week, so that is definitely very productive. And the mum police will be very happy to know that I also did lots of housework yesterday, including taking out the rubbish, which is very much a blue job. But unfortunately, the only male member of this household is 3 years old, and I'm the only adult in the house, so all these jobs are down to me. And if you're wondering where the extra child came from, she's my niece who's not actually biologically related to me. See, I did tell you my life's contradictory and very confusing. Also, thank you so much to everyone who wished me good luck for my interview. I'm gonna need it.